Okay, for homework 1116, write both these problems, this equation and this inequality. Variables on both sides. Write down the 3 words too. All right, so here we go. This first one is an equation because of the equal. First step, always add or subtract the plain number on the left. Start on the left, add or subtract the plain number on the left. Bring everything else down. Bring the 6x down, my equal, my 3x. 14 minus 2 gives me 12. Now stay on this right side and eliminate the 3x by doing the opposite, which is subtracting. This gives me 3x equals 12. Now stay on this left side and do your last step, which involves something different than adding, subtracting. It is division. My pen will let me, right? There we go. So this last step is divide by 3. And you could see the first step was adding or subtracting the 2. The second step was adding or subtracting that 3x term. Only this third step is something different, division. And again, if you wanted to check it, the first word is fish. Fish. That would be you taking that 4 and plugging it in both places for x. It should give you a true statement when I plug that in, because that is the one solution answer. So 24 plus 2, does that equal 12 plus 14? And yes, that is 26, equal to another 26. That is a true statement. That point was a solution to this equation right here. Variables on both sides. All right, next problem is the same, but it is a inequality. This inequality, based on its direction, is more than, the more than direction. So I'm still going to take away this 2. The second word is horse. Horse. So start on the left. Get rid of the plain number on the left. Go to the right. Make sure you bring down this inequality the way it is. Go to the right. Get rid of the x term on the right. And then go back to the left and divide. Know that when I get this answer, divide by 3, the answer is not going to be 4, even though 4 is one of my good answers. My answer are all numbers more than or equal to 4. More than or equal to 4. And you need to be able to list 3 numbers that are indeed more than or equal to 4. So you could do 4, 5, and 6. Those all work. And when you're doing a check with one of these, you're just looking for a true statement, which means if I was to plug in my 6 right here of one of my choices, I'm not trying to get 2 equal numbers. I'm just trying to get a true mathematical statement. So if I plug in a number more than 4, it should work for me, should give me a true statement. So when I plug it in, I get 36 plus 2. Is that more than or equal to 18 plus 14? 36 plus 2 is 38. 18 plus 14 is 32. So you could see, plugging in that number, even though they weren't equal, it was true. It gave me a true statement. Any number more than 4, if you plug in for x, will give you not an equal number like the solution to the equation, but will give you a true statement and not false. Anything less than 4, you plug it in, you're going to get false statements like 20 is more than 30, which is not true. All right, third word is donkey. Donkey. Good luck. See you tomorrow.